today. So this is a very special collaboration because two powerhouses brands, both realme and Coca-Cola, collaborated for actually the first Coca-Cola smartphone. And we are very excited to share more details in a little bit about this new product to everyone. So stay tuned on that one. And don't forget to add to cart because this is going to be selling for limited stocks only this coming 12 midnight. So that is March 19, 12 midnight. And the first 100 buyers is going to get it for a special price of only 18,499. That's a whopping 500 pesos discount from its original SRP, 18,999. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I will be handing over the stage to my colleagues Jim and Foy to share more about the smartphone, basically. So yeah, hope everyone have a pleasant evening, and thank you again so much, everyone, for coming.
All right, thank you, Jen. So, na-spoil na tayo ni Miss Jen, but it's okay because we still have a live unboxing. Again, guys, it's on our official Shopee store. Verify the authorized store yung binupuntahan nyo before you go and add the cart. Again, 18,999 down to 18,499 for the first 100 buyers. But, as I did mention, may unboxing tayo. Just a heads up, when you purchase the smartphone, it's this specific box because this one is a deluxe box set. It's a special gift for selected people only. So it's this one. But anyway, let's go and call on my colleague Paul Siena, Digital Marketing Manager from Realme Philippines, to accompany me as well.
Alright, next game, I want to go on the left side.
The left side, okay.
So once again, happy Saturday guys, and from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much for joining us here for the special launch and the special collaboration between Realme and Coca-Cola, which is the Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition. And also just want to really give this time to appreciate everyone, those who joined the online registration, the medias, and also we met some Coke fans here. Thank you so much guys for joining us here, and also the community on the other side. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for joining us here, and I think it's going to be the exciting part.
Alright, sige. Actually, this was the one that was officially unboxed earlier in our live stream, but I'll take you guys through it as well. So, boy, I'd like to do the honors of lifting the lid of this smartphone.
It would be my honor, actually. But siguro, I just want to ask you, whenever you hear Coca-Cola, what's that one word that comes to your mind?
The one thing that comes to mind is my childhood.
Well, actually, I'm not sure. I don't want to reveal my age this way, but siguro yung Coke sabay-sabay na hit. I'm not sure if anyone can guys relate to that. Yeah, trend. That's really nostalgic, and yeah, once again, that's really fun childhood with Coca-Cola. But right now, I think this collaboration also brings us that what brand Realme and Coca-Cola has in common, which is being youthful, being for the youth talaga.
Yeah. Aside from that, the feeling of belongingness and of course togetherness with my family, friends, and even all of your colleagues. So, when you lift the box, guys, usually we do have just black or white plain like colors. Yes. Nothing at all. No text, no message, nothing. But this one, when you open the box lid, it actually has a cute little comic strip of the Coca-Cola. And then aside from that also, it has the top of Coca-Cola right here at the box lid as well. And then in terms of the laminate finish of this box, it's also premium and also very good to the touch. But after that, when you do lift the box, there is a Coca-Cola bottle that actually opens to you. So when you lift this strip, it opens up a world of freebies. Not possibilities, but freebies.
I'll give it to you.
Sige, I'll give it to you also. So, when you do that, there's also another strip here that you will rip off with, of course, the message from Realme, which of course is welcome to the Realme family as you join us in our journey. So, when you do open that, there are numerous things. First off is, of course, your paperwork. We don't want to not have our warranty cards and our quick guides when we do access our new devices, right? But the limited edition stuff is actually a lot of things like DIY stickers that are branded by Realme and Coca-Cola. So, Poy, ikaw ba, what are you the type of person to do with stickers when you're giving stickers?
Actually, I love to vlog, and let's say, for example, I'm reading a book. Kasi syempre, it's a perfect combination eh. It's also once in a lifetime collaboration.
Yeah, ako naman ako yung type ng collector na gusto ko it's as new as possible or as mint in condition as possible. So it can time I store it. But that's just a point of preference.
Yeah.
Anyway, aside from that, other freebies are, of course, your SIM ejector pin in the form of a cute Samsung or Coca-Cola bottle. Yep, and of course with the really brand name symbolizing the partnership or collaboration between these two brands. Next is your limited number card. Now this proves authenticity, and of course it shows you the build number because there are only a limited number of units produced globally, and this is only available in 5 countries nationwide. So that's also the reason why a few hundred units lang ang available sa Philippines. Okay? That's the third. There are 2 more which I cannot announce. The first one for India and Thailand, and the Philippines is the third one. The other 2 are Southeast Asia. Yun na lang isa.
Okay. Alright,
Okay?
you guys should watch out.
Exactly. Then aside from that, of course, why right as you lift the box, actually nawawala yung phone. It's because we moved to Arena.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but there is a case, and of course, your 33-watt Superbook charger and your cable as well. So 33-watt Superbook basically means within 1 hour, na-charge mo na yung phone mo and you're good to go for at least 2 days of battery life. That's how good this smartphone is. Just the specs pa lang yun, wala pa yung Coca-Cola elements.
But now I know everyone's really excited.
Yeah.
And I know yung iba nakita nila yung item natin. Experience area. But of course, let's show it to them.
Okay,
How it looks like.
it's right here. So this is the Realme Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition. If you guys want to get a hold of it yourselves, it's also there in the experience area, but let me tackle some things about this smartphone. No? So it has a red and black collision of colors, 70-13 kanyang ratio sa likod, and then aside from that, may camera lens halo din siya that is present here around the camera lenses. This is not even on the original Realme Pro 5G which we launched in Valentine's Day. Then, aside from that, also the crop Coca-Cola logo for added statement. And aside from that, personality-wise, we do have an embossed Coca-Cola logo dito sa ating lower right of the smartphone. So everything is
Collaborative.
Yes,
Yeah.
really collaborative.
That's really what I want to share. Kasi for others, it's really hard to find that right balance. That collaboration. But you can see it really perfectly here at our tour guide, which is the Realme Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition.
Actually, people like Elon Musk and even MKBHD who are, for those who are familiar with tech reviewers, right, these guys actually said and commented, that's a lot of Coke. Meaning this is the hardest ever collaboration with any smartphone with any non-smartphone brand. And also, as Jen mentioned kanina, it's the first of its kind globally. No other smartphone brand has collaborated with any soda or beverage brand. So this is your chance to get this later on Shopee. Okay, aside from just the external part, we have an exclusive wallpaper of Real Meow that's dressed up in Coca-Cola. We call him Cola Meow. Cola Meow. So for those who aren't aware who Real Meow is, siya po yung official mascot ni Real Meow na nakatayo din sa likuran. Okay?
This is the actual and also in our experience area.
And then, aside from that, the Coca-Cola logo din siya sa tiyan niya. But also, when you go into the UI, kita-kita rin yung mga retro elements, so literally Game Boys, joysticks, and even retro headphones were used sa mga icons and apps niya. And that is just because legacy brand si Coca-Cola, as we all grew up with this brand.
Yeah. And also what I can say is, it's retro meets future.
Yes.
Kasi it also comes with future-proof specs. That's actually carried from our Realme 5G, right?
Exactly, exactly. So aside from that, we also have, of course, a lot of other specifications that we'll get to later, as I mentioned. But something to also consider here is the fact that even with these settings, meron din tayong other items dito sa ating Coca-Cola phone na available. So, one of the things here is meron tayong Coca-Cola ringtone for that added nostalgia right there.
So nostalgic.
Then aside from that, also, you have your Coca-Cola bottle opening sounds, and then your bubbles fizzing. For your notifications lang, nakakauhaw kapag piniplay mo.
Actually, that makes me want to open this actually.
Okay, ay kung tayo
dyan.
Okay, and then sa camera shutter sound natin, medyo makulit na to na item, pero it's a nifty little treat that I like because it also gives you a sort of sentimental value to the smartphone. When you click on the shutter, it will give you a sound of opening Coca-Cola. So more memories with Coca-Cola and more memories with you and your friends on your smartphone, guys. And like what you mentioned, guys, this smartphone is not just about being collaborated on by Coca-Cola or with Coca-Cola. It also has powerful features. First, 94% almost screen to body ratio on this screen. So you don't get just bezels, you get full screen 6.7 inches, 120 Hz, 108 megapixel throw light camera. So even if night shots, I'm not sure if the Trident cameras doon sa ating series, but this is excellent in night photography. Then like I said earlier, less than 1 hour, you're charged already for a day or even two. Plus, also, even if malaki yung battery, guys, slim 8.53 millimeters and also lightweight, less than 200 grams, only 192 grams. 5G pa tong smartphone na to, dual nano SIM cards to be supported, and even expandability up to 1 terabyte with micro SD card. So all of those features are powerful in smartphone, plus in collaboration with a very, very good and iconic legacy brand that we have, that we all grew up with. This is the Realme 5G Coca-Cola edition. Okay?
It's also worth to mention, in line with the supercharging, it has this customizable super icon as well.
When you charge your smartphone, it will show up here, fizzing bubbles or fizzing soda of Coca-Cola when you do that with the official charger. Then, sino dito yung mga batang 80s or 90s? That's the man. Okay.
You don't mean to reveal the age here.
I will not reveal your age. I'm asking because there's a special set of filters here. So when you go to your photo or your camera UI, all you have to do is scroll twice. Street mode is available, and it's an exclusive on Coca-Cola, but there's an 80s Cola filter for that nostalgic feeling photos that you can take with all of your family and friends. And for the 90s kids, 90s pop is also there. Other features and other filters are also available right here on this smartphone.
So how much should it cost? Grabe. Only for 18,999 pesos. And I think I forgot to mention that this is super limited.
Yes, ilan?
589 exactly?
Yes, 589 units only in the Philippines because there are less than 10,000 made globally. So only 589 out of the millions of Filipinos who are now adding to cart. I'd like you to try and get a chance to get your very own Realme 5G Coca-Cola edition. Again, it's only 18,999. And isipin nyo na lang how good this would look not only in your pockets, in your bags, but also on your shelves as a memorabilia. If you're really an avid fan of Coke, or if you're a true Filipino who grew up with this nostalgic brand and supports the youth with Realme Philippines. Okay?
And once again, we do have 500 peso off. That's only for first 100 So make sure to ready your cards, guys. Just a few hours away from now, in order for you to get it at a more cheaper price, now 500 peso less. Exclusively on
Yes, exactly. So that's been it, guys, for this little mini program and live unboxing. Thanks so much for listening. This has been Boy and Jim. Thank you and good night.